Coffee, the go-to drink for millions of people around the world. But did you know that coffee isn't just for drinking? In fact, coffee grounds can be used in many other ways that you might not have even considered. In this video, we're going to show you some creative ways to use coffee grounds that you might not have thought of before. First up, did you know that coffee grounds can be used as a natural exfoliant for your skin? They contain antioxidants that help to brighten and tighten your skin, leaving it feeling smooth and refreshed. Just rub a small amount of coffee grounds onto your hands, and then rinse it off with warm water. Next, coffee grounds can also be used to remove unwanted odors from your fridge. Just place a bowl of dry coffee grounds in your fridge, and let it sit for a few days. The coffee grounds will absorb any unpleasant smells, leaving your fridge smelling fresh and clean. And if you're a gardener, you'll be pleased to know that coffee grounds can also be used as a natural fertilizer for your plants. They contain nitrogen, potassium, and other nutrients that are essential for plant growth. Just sprinkle some coffee grounds on the soil around your plants and watch them thrive. Finally, did you know that you can use coffee grounds to dye fabric? It's true. Coffee grounds can be used to create a beautiful, natural brown color on fabric. Just boil some water with coffee grounds, and then soak your fabric in the mixture for a few hours. Rinse it off, and you'll have a lovely, earthy brown color. So there you have it, folks, some creative ways to use coffee grounds that you might not have thought of before. Try them out and let us know how it goes. And of course, don't forget to enjoy your cup of coffee while you're at it.